Here's a TypeScript trap. Explicit prop types look simpler but can silently cost you type safety. With explicit prop types, you often reach for any or a broad union. And TypeScript loses track of what's actually flowing through your component. Generic components fix this by threading type information end to end. Declare a list of T, and TypeScript knows the render callback receives exactly that T, not just some unknown value. The bigger win is reusability. Imagine writing separate list components for users, products, and orders. 3 implementations with identical logic. A single generic component handles all of them. The type parameter T slots in wherever the specific type matters, and the compiler enforces it at each call site. Same logic, 0 duplication. Generics aren't always the answer. For fixed type components like a profile card that always shows a user, explicit props are simpler and more readable. Reach for generics only when the same logic genuinely needs to handle multiple data types. Classic generic patterns include list T, table T, and select T reusable containers that render different data. The trade-off? Generics add cognitive overhead with type parameters and constraints. Use them when reuse justifies the cost, not just to signal sophistication. Generics win on type safety and reuse. Explicit props win on simplicity. Know which one your component actually needs. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.